Judy Shaw for What's the Fund. Joining me today is Spencer Lerner. He is the head of multi-asset solutions at Harbor Capital Advisors. Spencer, great to see you. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, appreciate it.
Now, quick note to our viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, Spencer, what's the fund you're talking about today?
So today we're talking about the Harbor Disruptive Innovation ETF. The ticker is INNO, that's spelled INNO.
Okay, INNO. Tell me about this fund and tell me about the strategy.
Yeah, so the Harbor Disruptive Innovation Strategy, it's an actively managed ETF. We're really excited about it because it invests in the disruptive innovation space, which we think the pace of which is really only accelerating, and it's moving across all industries, and it really reflects the overall digitization of the global economy. So we're very excited. We think there's a high level of alpha opportunity over many, many years to come, if not decades to come. For this particular strategy, and we think it's very important that you need to be active when investing in the space, and so that's why we take an active approach. We think that the reason that that's so important is because of the exponential growth profile of many of these underlying companies that we're investing in, and it's very difficult and challenging to think about modeling and valuing out those types of businesses that are growing over years and decades as opposed to quarters, and therefore we take an active approach to doing that. We at Harbor have identified we've curated five highly specialized boutique asset managers that we think are very good in this particular space. They deliver to us very concentrated portfolios of 15 to 20 stocks. We then are the multi-asset solutions team at Harbor. We bring those sleeves together and we provide an overlay that provides portfolio construction and risk management that we think is institutional quality and helps to provide a more sort of risk appropriate journey for underlying clients so that we can generate not just high levels of alpha over time, but also strong risk adjusted returns. And we think that's particularly important in a space that has typically higher levels of volatility.
Okay, so now tell our viewers, where can we learn more about this fund?
Yeah, please go to harborcapital.com or talk to your financial advisor to learn more about it.
All right, great. Great to have you on the show, Spencer. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you so much, really appreciate it.